Hi guys, welcome to our MR Audio. MR Audio is a professional speaker supply from China, and we may produce a mid-range model, subwoofer, and a subwoofer. We can see the mid place is our mid-range model, and the left is our subwoofer, and the yellow back is our new subwoofer. Yeah, and we also can provide the OEM service for you if you want to another product you want to. You can send me picture and samples for me. We will produce it for you, okay? And you also can find this model and many types of products in our website, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay. So today, let me show you some model for you in our sample room. We can see we have many samples in our sample room. Yeah. So today we will introduce this model specification, design, and color for you. We will show you for you. Okay. Okay. First, let me see this model. You can see this model make color. We also use the black and red. Yeah. And do you like this color? Inside is in light is very shiny, yeah, and very attractive people's eyes. We can see. If you don't like this color, you also can tell me. We will change for you. And here is terminal design. We can see, and this is a normal terminal design, and we need the wire to connect. Yeah. And here is magnet. We can see, and the magnet size we also can change for you. Some customer want to big size, and some customer want to small size. And the big size magnet will provide big power, yeah. But the price will also more high. But small size will provide small power, but the cost will down, yeah. So you can choose depending on your needs, okay. And here is basket design. Do you like this design? And in our sample room, you will find many design about the basket. Yeah. And here is, so let me see. Here is a spider. We can see clear. Here is spider. Now here is the wire and so stamper. Yeah. So next, let me see this model surface for you. We can see. Here is the surround, and this surround we use the W shape. And we also have another type, is M shape. Some customer will ask, what's different between the two design, W shape and M shape? Yeah, actually, don't have bigger different, just the different design will through different model. Yeah. Maybe this double shape design function will suit this model, make this model sound become more clear and provide a good performance. So we use the double shape here. Such like this one. Maybe this is M shape like this. Actually, it means this M shape design will suit this model. Yeah. So like this. And here is the cut paper. We can see. This is the cut paper. We can touch it so smooth. Yeah. Because we brush the special glue on the surface, such as like waterproof, and this glue will protect the cut paper, because the cut paper and the spider are made of paper. Yeah. And here is the dust cap design we can see, and this shape is unique, yeah. And it's not a bullet design. We can say this top is flat, yeah. Do you like this? And if you want to change this bullet, this duster cap design, if you want to use a bullet, and if you want normal design, is okay. So don't worry, we can change for you. Maybe this model size is 6.5 inch, and we can see this model. We have another size here. Actually, this two model design is the same, just the size different, and we also changed some details like this. We can see this terminal we use different, yeah. And this different use is very convenient. You just need to press it and the wire to connect. But the two terminal design is different. It means the cost is different. Yeah. And this model size is 12 inch. You can see. So this same model we provide a different size for you, yeah. Which provide many options to you. You can choose. If you want to 8 inch, 10 inch, it's okay. You can tell us, okay? So next, let me see another model, another popular model. Okay, we can see this model. We can see this model looks different compared to another model. Yeah, we can see this center duster cap design, and this shape like a flower. Do you like this? And this flower is so unique and special, yeah. And here is we use the copper paper. We can hear the copper paper light is so. This sound is so light, yeah. So when this model is working, this model will provide good performance and make this sound more clear, yeah. And here's the surrounder. We can see. And this surrounder will also use the special material. In the light, it's so shiny, yeah. And here is the guest. And some people will print their logo on this surface. Yeah, we can look around. And do you like this basket? We can see this basket is different compared last model, yeah. Today you will find many dust cap design and many different basket design in our sample room. We will show you here. You will find products you like, because we provide many options for you, okay? And we can see in this model basket beside we add capacity. Yeah. Some people know who knows this function. And here is the spider, and here is copper paper, and here magnet. The magnet is so clear. And then next, let me see this model back. We can see this design is so clear. Look there. And we also have a small size like this one. And we can see this model. This model we call the coaxial speaker. Do you know why we call this model name? Because this model we add a driver in this model back. We can see neodymium driver, and this model we can see this model centric duster cap. we use the whole design, and the center we can find a bullet design. And we also add a rendering on whole surround we can see, and the rendering will forbid some rubbish into this model inside. Yeah, sweet design. Yeah, do you like this? And this model called Tiangang CS0827. If you like this model, you can take a picture and you can remember this model name. And here is this model basket. We can see. We can look around it. We can take around. If you look around, if you want to, if you find products you are interested in, if you want to listen this model, some explain to, you can send me message and we will introduce for you next time. Okay. So let me find another model. Okay, we can see this model. This model, main color we use the blue and black. Yeah, we can see. And this surrounder we use the different. Yeah. And here is the copy paper dust cap. We can hear this sound is so light. Yeah. The next, let me see this. Here is the basket. The basket we use the plastic material. If you can change the material, it's okay. Yeah. And here is the magnet. We also can see this model. Let me find this. We can see this model have a special design. It's the magnet design. We can see the magnet design is inside here. We can find this model magnet outside yet because we use design inside. And here is spider. We can see the spider so standard. And the wire and terminal design. And this model shape is different. And normal model we use the round here. And this model we use different. Do you like this? Okay, we can take a look at another model. Another interesting model for you, okay? I want to show you this model for you. This model, bullet material, we use the aluminum. And if you want to change this bullet design, change this model, bullet material, we can change for you, okay? And the surface color, we use the blue. We may use the blue. If you want to change your color, if you want to use yellow, if your brand color is yellow, you want to this model style and color suit your brand, it's okay. We also can print your logo on the surface for you. Print your logo, such as our is MR audio. We can print MR audio on this copy paper surface here. So it will make this model look so special, so professional. And here is the terminal design. Here is the basket and the magnet. So next we can see some specification about this model. This model name called Tiangang MD8E. See again, TN-MD8E, and this motor max power can up to 240 RMS, and this motor whisker we used 1.5 inch, and this model size is 8 inch. Yeah. We also have a 10 inch. Okay, here is our mid-range model. We can finally let me look around. If you are interested in other model, you can send me a message and take a photo, and you can sit for us. We will introduce for you next time. Okay. So let me come our Twitter. Here are our Twitter. We can find this subtwitter dust cap, this thing dust cap. We may use the bullet design like this. Also is aluminum material. We use the best material for you. Yeah. The bullet design will make the sound more clear, and also have a good reduced hardware function. Like this model we use the blue. Yeah. Let's take a look. And we also can this model is so light, and you can insert this module on the car and to open this sound. Yeah. This model is so light. Maybe this model rears we use the plastic. We can hear this sound. Yeah. We can see this model. This model although looks small, but this model also can provide more power. Yeah. We also can this model center bullet design. We use the red color. Yeah, we can see the color is so shiny. And here is the magnet. We can find. Some customer will ask our dual stickers on this model back like this. Also can this model, the surface and the design looks beautiful. Yeah. And it's so shiny in. Yeah. Also can this model. We can find this model subtwitter design different. Yeah. But the dust cap will also use the bullet design. You also can find many subtwitter in our website. Okay, next let me show you our subwoofer for you. This is our third part. You can see we have a 15-inch subwoofer, 12-inch subwoofer, 10-inch and 8-inch. Yeah, and we also use the different basket like this. We can compare the two baskets, and the basket we use the ferrite material, and this basket we use the aluminum. We can see. And we also can find the copy paper is deep, yeah. And this model copy paper is not deep, and the surface is well flatter than this one, yeah. But this model also have a bigger duster cap, we can see, and we can hear the sound so clear, so clear. And we can compare the duster cap material. We use different, like this. We can touch it smooth, and we can touch another. We can see clear. It's different material, yeah. This model we use the glass fiber, and this model we brush the special glue on the surface. You can see, and we also can see this copy paper back. We use the draw forcing, yeah. Or full dry press. Oh, we use the full dry process. We can see. And this design will provide clear sound, yeah. And the next, let me see this model magnet. And this model magnet we use the triple pieces, and this model, some model we will use 2 pieces, yeah, like this. And we also have some people will use the 2 pieces. And the magnet size, it means different power. Big size will provide big power. Small size will provide small power, yeah. So this model is so heavy, yeah. It's hard for me to take it. And if you want to know this model power, max power, the size of voice call, and some details about this model. If you are interested in, you can send me message. You can find us on our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram and website. Okay, we will send specification, date shift and price for you. So about this model color, we use the yellow. We can see. Yeah. I believe you will find videos on YouTube. Many people will test this model sound in YouTube. Yeah. We can hear. We can hear this model terminal. Here is terminal design of the spider, and we can find and black ring on the spider throat. Yeah, and we also can find that there are many holes, such as this basket design and this basket design. We also can find that there are many holes on this surface, yeah, like this. Yeah, we can see. Why we design, and some people will ask, and this holes will reduce the heart. This is very important because when this model is working, and will release many heart, yeah. And style. And the spider and the wire and the paper are made of paper. And when this heart is high, so this part will broken easily. So we will design many places to reduce the heart, such as and many holes on the surface, and we use the aluminum material. Yeah, so sweet design. And next, let me see this our tracing subwoofer. We can see this model is not too high yet compare another subwoofer. We can do a compare. It's not too high yet, so we call it this model. We call it tracing subwoofer. So this subwoofer will suit the different surround. Yeah. We can see how the surface and this model. We call this here is the dust cap. We can see the design is different. Yeah, and here is the basket. Okay, we can see this model have a bigger spider. Yeah, we can see this model have a bigger spider. And this model we may use the orange and black color, and a mask on the surface. Yeah, put on surface. We also have another type, like this, and the two model size is 12-inch, and we also have 10-inch yet. And we can see the surface, the dust cap is so it's flat compared to another one yet. And we also can find that this model magnet is inside. Can you find the magnet is inside? Normal magnet, model's magnet is outside like this. Yeah. And here is terminal design. We can see, and the two models we use the different appearing terminal design like this. Yeah, and here is the wire. And we also can. Let me show you the two models. Also, they are also on tracing subwoofer yet. But okay, this model magnet is outside like this, yeah. And this side also is a 12-inch. We can get more. And if you are interested in this model on tracing subwoofer, if you want to know this model power, size of voice call, and size and price, you can send me a message. Okay, you can take a. If you are interested, you can take a picture. Let me finally take a picture. Okay. Okay, today our introduce is over. We introduced our mid-range model, subwoofer, and show you our subwoofer for your normal subwoofer and on-tracing subwoofer. Yeah, if you like this model, if you like this model, you can take this model picture. You can see the message. We will see the specification and price for you. Also, if you want another model, you also can find many models in our website. You can send me message. We can provide OEM service for you. Yeah. Then please enter our website, YouTube, and Facebook. You can find many interesting model and video. So today introduce is over. Let me see you next time. Goodbye.